Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to add a tracking number to an eBay shipped item. Adding a tracking number is crucial because it gives your buyer confidence that their item will arrive safely and on time. When buyers receive regular shipping updates, they are less likely to file an item not received claim. To get started, if you haven't already set up an eBay account, this is the perfect time to do so. You can create a personal or business account by clicking on Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. Simply provide your full legal name, email, and password, click on Create an Account, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've sent your item, you can add tracking details for up to 6 tracking numbers per order. If you're using an eBay-issued label, the tracking number from one of eBay's integrated carriers will automatically be uploaded. There are 2 main ways to add tracking details depending on the type of account you have. 1. For Seller Hub users, navigate to the Seller Hub page, go to Paid and Shipped and locate your order. Select the order by checking the box next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Add Tracking Number. You can then add, edit, or delete the tracking number and carrier, and click Save. 2. For My eBay users, go to the Activity section and then the Selling Overview section. Find the item you've shipped. From the drop-down menu, select Marked as Shipped. You can then add or edit the tracking numbers accordingly. If you encounter any issues while adding a tracking number to your eBay shipped item, simply click on Help and Contact. eBay's support team will be glad to guide you in resolving any problems. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.